पागल हो गए पहली बार हुआ लाइफ में लाइव we are live for the first time guys no but it's a fact
don't we all look like we've just come off a Shararat set. We look just as young.
You look as though you've come out of a 15-year leap. I look as though I've been stuck there only in time.
Oh, is it really?
No, you're going backwards.
You were just 26, no?
Hi,
Saying Manoj is going.
Hello! I think we should start off in a very cheesy way. Thodi masti.
थोड़ी शरारत
थोड़ी सी है ये शरारत
की फुल्की है ये शरारत ये तो मालूम नहीं है ना गाना
आज बहुत साल हो गए वो मत कर अब
वो वाला
remember
हाँ
how we used to
गोवा में overacting
look at us. So there are a lot of people who actually write to us saying that they actually believed in the magic and they used to do magic like Shruti does to her daughter. Her daughter still thinks that she has magical powers.
But I do. Stop lying to people, Simple.
Yeah, and she loves us. She loves our Jodi.
I just can't use it right now because Farida ji is not here with me. So till Nani is not there, I can't do magic. But otherwise, it works.
With me, just because I have the oldest amongst the kids, she's not ready to believe that any of this shit exists. But yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You oldest among us kids?
Yeah, no. She's older than you for sure.
Hello girls. Hi.
Okay. हाँ, अगर जिया और ध्रुव की शादी हुई होती तो बच्चे ये होते 1 2 3 अबे मैं बोलने वाला था हाँ पहला भी है ना
Look at them
I swear they all look like sisters.
Okay. Adorable.
Okay.
Ask them Papa does this every day.
अलग-अलग शोज के अलग-अलग लीड्स के साथ अगर इसका और मेरा बच्चा होता तो ये होते वो होता ये होता तो ये होते
किसी की शादी नहीं हुई है सिर्फ तेरी और मेरी हुई है
and the kids call us Masi.
So let's jump in. First tell me how many of y'all have watched any of the episodes since the show has gone live on Hotstar. किसने देखा है शरारत दोबारा?
I saw
how many of us have watched not religiously like you.
One second. I saw it with Manoj in his house.
Yeah.
I was there too.
Yeah. That was his birthday.
I tried to show my daughter the show. That's how I landed up. You know, dekho.
But actually what happens, people keep posting on Instagram and you keep watching a lot of episodes and there are times that there are episodes that you've actually forgotten. Like कई बार तो मुझे पता ही नहीं कि कब हुआ है and then I watch it and then I laugh.
मेरा तो सच में बचपन ही था ना. I don't remember.
Truth is true. It was a lifetime ago.
Guys, there is a way to behave like adults.
Let's accept.
उंगली ऊपर करें.
Let's accept. Can you accept that I am the youngest, Karanveer? Let's accept it today.
No,
I was the youngest.
He thinks he's the youngest.
One second, I'll have to say something. Aditi कह रही है कि मुझे तो कुछ पता ही नहीं. I was so young. भाई Aditi, I don't even know why I'm on this chat. Was I in Shararat? I don't even remember. I was so small.
But to be true, it was a lifetime ago. It was another lifetime.
That's true. What were you saying, Harshi?
I'm saying it was another lifetime. You know, it's so much has changed, but the show just.
Yeah,
it's amazing that we kept in touch and we were still together.
Yeah.
Like the same, but otherwise.
Just imagine if we would have had social media during Shararat's time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What a pain in the butt.
No.
That's true.
Yeah, man. Ek to get recognized on streets, then get recognized randomly everywhere else is too much work here.
Listen, तब हमारे काम की बात होती पता है?
लोग तो अभी भी बहुत करते हैं यार. अभी भी बहुत करते हैं लोग. With so much love because of Hotstar. Like people are actually rewatching the entire series.
Yes, they do. Yeah.
But I have to tell you all the funniest thing. Okay, so the worst thing about my life since Shararat happened is that sometimes I meet people who look like they could be my father's age, and then they look at me and they're like, अरे हम तो आपका शो देखकर बड़े हुए हैं.
हाँ यार.
इतना बड़े हो गए यार. इतने बड़े मत होना.
Thanks
for making my childhood awesome.
Shruti, I remember Farida ji used to tell us when we were shooting for Shararat कि अरे लोग मुझे आके बोलते हैं कि हमने आपको बचपन में देखा था and she's like अरे वो मेरा भी बचपन था and I used to think कि कभी हमारे साथ भी होगा and suddenly the same thing happens and you feel ये तो इतने बड़े लगते हैं ये छोटे कैसे हो सकते हैं हमसे.
What if you had a chance to change something about your character? in Shararat, what would it be? Harsh, you go. What would you change about Raja's character?
Nothing, man.
Really?
Enjoyed him thoroughly. Yeah.
Meeta,
Nothing, absolutely.
We had a blast.
really? You won't want to change your
If
wig?
Shararat season 2 happens, I want the same wig. I won't be able to act. At times,
She used to hate it.
no, wait. Let me tell you this. Mohit at times tells me, ki, please, say some lines and all of Beeta. I cannot say it. I tell him I need the wig. I can't say it without my wig. So for me, Shararat season 2, I need the same wig.
Yeah, sure.
What about you, Pam? What would you change?
I would want to change the horrendous clothes. I used to hate them.
No. It was the
Oh,
US.
you look very good in those.
It was the
And
US.
I don't know how people used to tell me that we used to copy your clothes, and I'm like, yeah, they look so cheapy.
Simple. That was 15 years back.
Even then,
At that
I had
point,
the same
you
problem.
loved it. For you, it was a
One
fashion
second.
statement because you came from Delhi.
Shut up, fashion is a very Delhi is a very cool place.
No.
What is wrong?
In Delhi, where you came from, was not a good place.
Okay, so
I know
But
very
still I
cool
like-
places in Delhi.
But still, I
Saket,
still have
Vaket,
fashion
GK Ban,
sense.
those are very cool.
But I
Lekin
still
ja-
wouldn't wear. One second, but I
You are
still wouldn't wear
self-sabotaging
clothes like
right
these.
now. Anyway, not that I know much about
I
it.
what would you change about Dhruv's character?
Well, I couldn't make him any younger, but
Of course you can't.
The acting would help.
no, I used to change my hairstyle. That was the cheapest hairdo I had ever had. That was like, yeah, finding it fun, man. Seriously.
And also, I would like to act better that time.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, that was just. It was my first show. No, I think I was a kaula. You know the word kaula?
Okay, so I'll tell you all what I would have liked to change about Jia.
Oh yeah.
हमने तो पूछा ही नहीं इससे.
I wish she wasn't such a servant.
Yeah.
Because I thought she was too like sidey. And in my real life, if I had a Pam who was my friend, I would give her so many thappads.
Okay.
इतने चमाट मारती मैं उसको. But in Shararat, I used to be so like Pam. ऐसा मत कहो ना Pam. I used to be such a slave. I wish that was one thing.
But in real life, you weren't. You were absolutely opposite.
I know.
Yeah.
Pam.
Quite a tyrant. Quite a tyrant. Yeah. Shrew, you've been a tyrant in all our studio lives in the beginning.
Wait, I just know.
True,
what
I
I'm
had to
gonna
take
change.
revenge
Wait,
till
wait,
date
wait.
on her.
Wait, see what Manoji has to say.
What do you
I
say?
would change. I would basically zip Shruti's mouth, or probably zip her mind up from learning everybody else's dialogue.
Yeah, man.
Man,
Oh
freaking fuck!
my
I'm telling you, it's so
God.
irritating, man. Sure, nobody will remember. I mean, we'll remember, of course. You know, we used to shoot just 7 days a month.
Yeah.
And-
We used to look forward.
7 to 10 days.
20 to 30
Shruti
years.
Used to shoot.
So
10
short,
days.
10
And
days a
we
month. We
used to
shot
shoot
7.
lesser.
shot.
You know,
Lesser.
and it felt like, और कब shoot करेंगे हम लोग?
To wait.
Now when
I used to
It used to
wait.
be amazing.
कब 20 तारीख होगी कब हम MBC के झाड़ के नीचे.
So wait, I have to tell you guys one really funny story. Okay, when we had just started, at that time, our payments used to be a bit iffy. Okay, I don't know if you all remember this. So one time, I remember.
some things just don't change.
one time, I remember Arunji. Arunji, remember Arun Puri?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Arun
he's
Cow,
a production guy.
What was his full name? Arun something. He used to be our production guy.
Yeah. The gentle giant.
So one day I remember checks in my second year. I negotiated my contract, so we used to get our checks at the end of every month. Okay,
You used to anyway.
I used to. Yeah. I negotiated it like that.
Okay.
But one day I remember, I know that Simple had not been paid. Okay.
Yeah.
So I didn't go to shoot. So Arun called me and he said, "Shruti ji, आप सेट पे क्यों नहीं आए हैं?" I said, "नहीं, आप लोग पेमेंट नहीं करेंगे तो हम सेट पे नहीं आएंगे." He said, "पर आपका तो पेमेंट आ गया है, आप आइए ना." I said, "पर सिंपल का पेमेंट क्यों नहीं आया?" He said, "पर वो तो सेट पे आ गई है." And then Farida ji called me and she said, "किसने बोला है तुमको क्रांतिकारी बनने के लिए? चुपचाप सेट पे आओ." Okay, quickly, I'm going to ask everybody one last question.
Okay.
Every person has to give away one secret about the other person.
Oh God.
So, the one thing that nobody knows about Manoji.
Oh, Manoji loves playing Russian roulette.
I only like it when it's a tag team.
He likes Russian roulette. It's the Russian roulette is.
Don't you guys remember Aloha? Aloha.
Aloha.
Alona.
Yelona. Sorry.
So come on, Harsh, give a secret about Manoji.
Oh, he just did.
He likes playing Russian roulette.
I love
Okay.
casino.
Manoji,
Yeah.
tell us a secret about Simple.
Simple.
He's pretty simple there.
Secret about Simple. I know her so well. One secret about Simple is that she doesn't express herself.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She
Not
keeps
coherently.
everything in her heart.
किसी को समझ में नहीं आता.
One person she expresses everything.
Addy.
Maybe you, because you're so close
She
to
doesn't
her.
want to hear.
Yeah, because
only.
I mean, I'm not talking about like best friends. I'm just talking about on the whole, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought I was very, very expressive. Like I'm.
Well,
just-
that is where
Like,
the problem lies, because
Okay.
once you think you're expressive, you forget to express, and then the whole chakkar goes on.
Yeah,
Okay,
it is
Simple.
very transparent,
Simple.
yeah.
Tell
Yeah.
us something about Harsh. A secret about Harsh.
Harsh secret? I don't know any secret about Harsh, but he's a
About
very
the
happy-go-lucky fellow. Hi. No, Ritu was behind you.
No, that was
Saying hi
Raksha.
to him.
That was Raksha.
Oh, Raksha. I couldn't
Big
see
girl,
that.
taller than Ritu.
Oh.
now, yeah.
Wow.
Harsh,
So-
there is a light behind
Close
you.
that door, beta. Close
Please.
that door.
Jaldi batana, Simple.
Arey, but that's what I know about him. He's happy-go-lucky fellow. I don't know any secret.
That's not a
about
secret.
him.
Everybody
I-
knows that.
Happy go lucky.
But I don't know any secret about
मैं उसकी
him.
क्वालिटी नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, उसकी सीक्रेट पूछ रहा हूँ.
अरे but पता ही नहीं मुझे.
संभाल के, हाँ, simple. हाँ,
अच्छा,
anyway.
okay, चलो, wait.
Okay, आगे.
तूने बड़ा
Tell us
संभाला
a
ना.
secret. You tell us a secret about Addy. Tell us a secret
Oh.
about Addy. That's closer. Come on.
Okay, you can then put it like 3 secrets.
So
उसको 3 तो मालूम है.
something that other people don't know about her. Not even a secret, just things that people don't know about
Yeah.
her. So tell us something about Addy.
She is she's
Happy-go-lucky.
someone whom I have seen transformed really fast. Like I've never seen
Acha,
anybody
that light bit.
transforming
We
like
also saw it,
within
यार.
days. Like no,
हमने भी देखा.
no.
हाँ.
Stop
Oh,
taking
the
all
way
these
I
reports.
saw it. No, 1 second.
बंद कर.
क्या
She
देखा?
is
बंद कर.
she is spiritually very very gifted. Like her intuition is so strong, which none of you would have seen earlier. It is so strong. Her gut. That
Aditi.
once Havana gut says this is going to happen, this is it, we would know that okay, let's go by what she's saying, because she would calculate 2 times, like she would see 2 times ahead. I don't know how, but
You
her
mean
gut's
twice.
very strong.
So it's not calculative,
Yeah,
it's more
likewise.
instinctive.
Intuitive, yeah.
Intuitive.
No,
yeah.
no,
Okay.
it's intuitive also, but it's calculative also. These
You
are two
bloody
different
calculator.
things. But, so which is a great thing. Like when I mean, I would want to be like that. But yeah, that's a secret that nobody knows.
And most of my intuitions are for Simple only. She doesn't listen. Most of the times I've told her things, ask her, and
Can
she never
you-
listens to me.
Imagine she dominates me. She's younger than me. Like in Shararat,
Yes,
I
I
used to
do.
dominate her. She dominates me.
मैं
And I
पूरा
listen.
बदला लेती हूँ.
हाँ, बहुत पुराना बदला है.
So wait, Addy, you tell
Yeah.
us something about Harsh that everyone doesn't know.
So, Harsh, I feel is a very sensitive person, but there was an incident which happened when Harsh and Mohit were working together. Okay?
Yeah.
It's very funny also, but at the same time, I was so scared that I rushed to the set. So
It
suddenly,
was funny to whoever didn't get punched in the face. Yes. it
One
was funny.
second, let me narrate it. So Mohit and Harsh had a scene wherein they had a fighting scene. Suddenly Mohit calls me.
Oh, wow.
And Mohit is a very sensitive person, okay? Very, very sensitive, more sensitive than me. And he calls me and he's very hyper. And you know what? This has happened. Next minute, Harsh also calls me. And Harsh ro raha hai. मैंने कहा Harsh, he said, Addy, पता नहीं अब क्या करें?
Manoji, your turn. Your turn to say a secret about me.
About Shruti.
Okay. If nobody knew Shruti.
क्या? आगे बोलो.
Go on,
तेरी
like,
तबीयत तो ठीक होगी बेटा.
and if nobody knew Shruti from, so what would I reveal of Shruti say? Okay, Shruti is one thing I must tell you. Shruti has calmed down a lot. Okay, Shruti is not the Shruti you see these days. Like maybe for the couple of since I think after marriage has kind of really grounded you. But the Shruti I knew before
I think
that
Alina has.
was a violent.
Yeah.
Yeah, was a violent woman. Violent in terms of her expression, screaming, shouting, not just normal. I'm talking about like she would, like, it was exasperating just to look by just seeing her.
That 17 years, I have never, ever, ever worked with a crew like this ever again.
Same.
I haven't done that much work, sadly, because I'm a
I've done
lazy
lot,
bum.
yeah.
But I've never met a group like ours. I've never connected with a group like ours. And for me now, they are just people who I work with, and then I come back home. They never became my family.
Remember in NBC studio हम एक दूसरे के ऊपर ही ऐसे पड़े रहते थे सब
हाँ.
in one
एक room में
One single bed, totally asexual. Let me underline that. And और सब पड़े हुए एक दूसरे
I
के.
used to feel we in college. Oh my god, it was
You know,
really
we need to
good.
create. I have a picture
Yeah.
of all of us of Shararat. Exactly the same pose
Can you
once the
share it?
lockdown gets over. Create that same picture
I
together.
have one of us from Goa.
Yeah.
No, babies, it was
Yeah.
such a pleasure, man. I
So
just
come on,
love you
parting
guys.
words,
I just want to tell you, I love
everybody,
you,
parting
love you, love you.
Love you, and we hope we can make another Shararat.
Yes,
Shararat
soon.
No, but let's all do
Seven.
something together.
Yeah. Okay, listen.
Yes.
One more thing. So, if we are doing this, we have to leave the meeting immediately.
Yeah.
Okay, done. And
So
I'll do
wait.
the
So
chuki.
niche.
Does everyone
Okay.
know the mantra?
Yes.
Does everyone knows it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Shring, bring, sarvaling, bhoot, bhavishya,
Vartaman,
badling.
Please. Simple left before us. Okay, now she came back. Arre, go. Arre, go.
What's happening?
I can't see leave.
I
I
don't know
can
how
see
to leave
leave. Arch went. Okay, I
अच्छा.
can see leave.
तू जिया और ध्रुव को साथ में नहीं रहने देगी या? हमारा यही तो प्लान था कि सबको हटा दे.
I love you guys. I love you.
All right, bye. I
And we
love
will-
you all.
Bye, bye, bye.